Hi. Goodbye. What is this place? What's so special about this place? Cool. So that is the basic voice control. I'll rebuild this place. And now we're going to focus on more other functions. So especially simulating the locations to monitor the events triggered by GPS. Well, first of all, still, we go to our AR view. And, well, this is the bird. Now we're going to go to a different place to see if we can get a different bird. So far this is a blue one, and it's following you. So here, it is right in the middle. It's great. I'll put it down for a while. It's not going anywhere. And I'm going to manipulate the location. So here, I've set places for other birds. We can go to find a robin. Oh, you found a robin. So let's find out if it's a robin. Cool, it's a robin. And this is, well, now it's time for audio. So to test audio, we can go to this one, start the audio story tour. Well, it asks for your consent to use the location. Well, we can change it or not. So far you are at the middle of nowhere, which means nothing get triggered. Well, now we're going to go to some place, but make sure here, if you turn off the detection, it wouldn't happen. So let's try it. We go to some place, maybe Emily. And here, see, you went to Emily, but you are not going to play the audio because the detection is off. So now try to turn it on. But you didn't download it, right? This is the first time you build it. So what will happen if I still trigger one more time to one part that will trigger the audio, where we can go to Bruff. So you will see you are here at Bruff. Not fooling you, but you need to download the audio. So this bar shows, or the slider shows how fast you are building. Okay, it's downloaded already. So you can test if you have downloaded.
Tom Meany is from Bruff and is the 6th generation of painting contractors in Bruff.
But you're tired of it. You want to go to
Tom
listen to
claims that
Emily.
Bruff
Let's
and
try if
Waterford
that
are
works.
Ireland's first twin towns and explains why. Tom recites a beautiful Father Seamus Rochford is the parish priest of Emily. He paints a pretty picture of the village and recalls the importance of the village in years hurling final in 1897 and won. There is a sculpture to commemorate this win in the local Gaelic Athletic Association or GAA field.
So I'm going to put it background.
Kilfinnan is ideally situated in the centre of Ballyhoura country, and along
but
with
if
the
you want to
Golden
kill
Vale Drive,
it
there
completely,
are 2 other
or you can
signposts
just turn it
driving.
off. Some other things are the map view, which can be further customized and cooler than the original native Apple map, and also it supports a little bit more function, for example this animation. Well, here the geolocation is all manipulated by myself from the GeoJSON website with the map coming back. So this is the video. and this is like a placeholder. But the first one, you can't really check it out. It is the introduction of the place. Well, let's talk about the remote fetching. So the remote file doesn't really have any pictures or a lot of text. It's basically just URL and some label text. So when you want to comment but you are not logged in, you're not allowed to do so. You have to log in. You can create your own account if you don't have an account, or you can log in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but I don't really know. I don't remember it. Most people have Google. Let's go with Google. Here's my account. Let's got in. Trying to continue. Now, it shows the last time you logged in, which is the time you can see on the screen. Well, now let's try to set this. And here, wow, it's there. It's something with the remote real-time database. And the content itself is local because it's not necessary to put it remotely since they're not going to change and the data is not that big. Well, here are something from purely remote side, which is to fetch the website.